Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Friday, everybody. You guys know what that means. We've got some 5 off $25 scenarios to go over for this Saturday, March the 19th at Dollar General. And I have one deal that is as low as 1 penny out of pocket. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you. So please leave me a comment down below before you go, and also take a minute to share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright, so for anyone who is new to couponing at Dollar General, please keep in mind that digital coupons are a one-time use only per account. Any glitches that are going on can end at any time, so it is very important to scan each item in the app when you are in the store to make sure that the digital coupons do attach, and also you want to scan each item to price check because prices can vary from store to store. Alright guys, so for this first scenario, we have an amazing food deal this week. So for this one, you want to pick up one of the Totino's pizza rolls priced at $2, 3 of the Dr. Pepper 2 liters. They are on sale 3 for $3, and there are other 2 liters included in that sale, so you can mix and match. Then you want to pick up 3 of the Velveeta or Kraft macaroni and cheeses for $10.95. 2 of the Mott's apple juices at $5. They're on sale this week, 2 for $5. 1 of the Clover Valley sugars priced at $2.15. 1 Clover Valley flour priced at $1.85. 3 of the Colgate 6-ounce toothpaste for $4.75. That's going to bring your subtotal to $29.70. You're going to have $2 in instant savings come off first at the register for that Velveeta and Kraft instant savings deal, and that's going to bring your new subtotal to $27.70. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25, the 75-cent off 1 Totino's pizza rolls, the 3 off 3 Velveeta and Kraft mac and cheese from the 313 Smart Source insert, the 1 off 2 Mott's digital coupon, the 115 off 1 Clover Valley sugar, and the 85 cents off 1 Clover Valley flour, and the 5 off 3 Colgate toothpaste. And after all coupons have been applied, that is going to leave you paying $10.95 for all 14 items, making each one just 78 cents each. Alright, next up, in this deal, we're going to be taking advantage of the instant savings on Scott, Cottonelle, Viva, and Kleenex products. So when you spend $20 on those products, you're going to instantly save $4 at the register. And I have 2 scenarios that we're going to go over in this video. So first up, you want to pick up one of the Cottonelle bath tissue 12 count at $5. 1 of the Scott bath tissue 12 count, they're on sale this week for $4.75. 1 of the Scott paper towel 6 count at $5.95. 1 of the Kleenex multi-packs at $4.50. 3 of the Colgate 6-ounce toothpaste for $4.75. 1 of the Purex 15 count packs for $3. 1 of the Airwick warmers for $2, and 1 Crest mouthwash for $1. That's going to bring your subtotal to $30.95, but you're going to have $4 in instant savings come off first at the register, and that's going to bring your new subtotal down to $26.95. And here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25, the 1 off 1 Cottonelle, the 1 off 1 Scott bath tissue, the 1 off 1 Scott paper towels, the 1 off 1 Kleenex, the 5 off 3 Colgate, the 2 off 1 Purex, the 150 off 1 Airwick, and the 1 off 1 Crest mouthwash. And that's going to bring your subtotal down to $8.45 for all 10 items, making each one just 84 cents each. Alright guys, and here is the second scenario where I included the Scott, Cottonelle, Viva, and Kleenex instant savings deal. So here's another way that you can get some paper products this week for really cheap. So pick up 1 of the Cottonelle bath tissue at $5, 1 of the Scott bath tissue at $4.75, 1 of the Scott paper towels at $5.95, and 1 of the Kleenex multi-packs at $4.50. Then you want to pick up 2 of the Dial body washes at $8, and 3 of the Colgate 6-ounce toothpaste at $4.75. That's going to bring your subtotal to $32.95. But you're going to have $4 in instant savings come off first at the register, and that's going to bring your new subtotal to $28.95. And here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25, the 1 off 1 Cottonelle, the 1 off 1 Scott bath tissue, the 1 off 1 Scott paper towels, the 1 off 1 Kleenex, the buy 1 get 1 free Dial body wash DG store coupon, and the buy 1 get 1 free Dial body wash from the 3/6 save insert. Then you're going to need that 5 off 3 Colgate digital coupon, and that's going to bring your subtotal to $6.96 for all 9 items, making each one just 77 cents each. And I think that is a fantastic deal considering we are getting all of those paper products. And once you're done with these scenarios, don't forget to scan your receipt into the Fetch Rewards rebate app, because right now on Fetch Rewards, we have a 500-point bonus for the Cottonelle bath tissue, which is the equivalent of 50 cents. Now, if you're not already signed up for Fetch Rewards, I highly recommend it. As always, this is the easiest rebate app out there. So I do have a referral code if you want to sign up. It is on the screen as well as down in the description box below. And if you use it, you're going to receive an extra 2,000 points, which is the equivalent of $2. Now, also on Fetch Rewards, we have this 500-point bonus for the Scott bath tissue. Now, this is kind of different, where you have to spend a total of $20 to earn that 500-point bonus, but you can work toward this bonus over time. So anytime you pick up some Scott bath tissue, make sure that you're scanning your receipt into the Fetch Rewards rebate app. All right, next up, we have another really awesome deal for some household products. So for this one, you want to pick up one of the Purex 15 count packs for $3, 3 of the chlorine spray cleaners for $6. Those are $2 each, and you want to make sure that you scan these first, because we're also going to pick up 2 of the Pinoline or chlorine cleaners for $2. Those are $1 each. And then you want to pick up 2 of the Dawn Power Wash refills for $7.90. Those are $3.95 each. 2 of the Dial body washes for $8. Those are $4 each. That's going to bring your subtotal to $26.90. Alright, and here is your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25, the 2 off 1 Purex packs, the buy 2, get 1 free Chloroline and Pinoline products, the 150 off 2 Pinoline and Chloroline products, the $3.99 off 2, sorry about that typo there, but it is a $3.99 off 2 Dawn Power Wash digital coupon, the buy 1, get 1 free Dial DG store coupon, and the buy 1, get 1 free Dial body wash from the 3/6 save insert. So, your subtotal after coupons will be $4.42 for 10 items, making each one just 44 cents each. Alright guys, next up here is a super low out-of-pocket deal, and we are going to be taking advantage of the instant savings on Dove products, and we're actually going to be taking advantage of that deal twice in this scenario. So we're going to get a total of $4 in instant savings coming off at the end. So for this one, you want to pick up 1 of the Dove body washes at $7, 2 of the Dove hand soaps at $9, those are $4.50 each, so those are the larger ones, 2 of the Dial body washes at $8, those are $4 each, 1 of the Purex packs at $3, and 3 of the Colgate 6-ounce toothpaste for $4.75. That's going to bring your subtotal to $31.75. We're going to have $4 in instant savings come off first at the register, and that is going to bring our new subtotal to $27.75. And here is your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25, the 150 off 1 Dove body wash, the 150 off 2 Dove hand soap DG store coupon, the buy 1 get 1 free Dove hand soap from the Unilever insert, the buy 1 get 1 free Dial body wash DG store coupon, the buy 1 get 1 free Dial body wash insert coupon from the 3/6 save insert, the 2 off 1 Purex, and the 5 off 3 Colgate toothpaste. That is going to bring your subtotal to 26 cents for all 9 items, making each one just 2 cents each. So how awesome is that, guys? I cannot wait to go out this weekend and do this scenario. Alright guys, and last but not least, here is the scenario where you are going to get all of these items for just 1 penny out of pocket. So, for this one, you want to pick up 3 of the Colgate 6-ounce toothpaste for $4.75, 2 of the Dove hand soaps for $8, those are $4 each, 2 of the Dial body wash, also for $8, those are $4 each, 3 of the Axe 1.7-ounce deodorants for $8.25, 1 of the Tresemme hair masks for $2, 1 of the Centrum vitamins for $5, and 1 of the Crest with Scope mouthwash for $1. That is going to bring your subtotal to $37, and you're going to have $4 in instant savings come off first at the register, so that's going to bring your new subtotal to $33. And here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25, the 5 off 3 Colgate, the 150 off 2 Dove hand soap DG store coupon, the buy 1 get 1 free Dove hand soap from the Unilever insert, the buy 1 get 1 free Dial body wash DG store coupon, the buy 1 get 1 free Dial body wash from the 3/6 save insert, the 2 off 2 men's grooming digital coupon, the 1 off 1 Axe digital coupon, the 1 off 1 Tress digital coupon, the 450 off 1 Centrum vitamins digital coupon, and the 1 off 1 Crest mouthwash digital coupon. So that is going to bring your subtotal after coupons to just 1 penny out of pocket for all 13 items. So how awesome is that, guys? I am definitely going to be doing this deal this Saturday. Alright guys, so that is it for the scenarios for now, but before y'all go, I have a couple of quick things that I want to talk to y'all about. I promise it'll just take a second. So number one is that I have a few more ideas for some scenarios because we just have so many good deals at Dollar General this week. So y'all keep an eye out on that community page. Check back with me later and definitely check back before you go to the store tomorrow. So if you're not sure how to get to the community tab, all you have to do is click on that little icon right below this video. Click on that. That's going to take you to my entire YouTube channel where you can check out more videos, playlist, and my community page where I post, little small deals here and there, okay? So that's how you find that. So that's number one. Now, number two, I do want to apologize to you guys that I did not have time to put the pictures of the coupons in this video for each individual deal. You know what, guys? I kick myself every single time I have to cut corners. I absolutely hate doing that because I know that those pictures and those visuals are helpful for you guys. I just started off the week with a really bad couple of days with technical problems. A lot going on right now. We are right in the middle of soccer season, so we're having to travel a lot. At least 2 days out of the week we are at a soccer game, and we don't get home till late. So that's taking up a lot of my time right now. Plus, of course, we've got practices in between. So there's a lot of running going on right now for old soccer mom here. So just bear with me, guys. And then on top of that, March is a very busy month for me because we have spring break, plus we have birthdays, a bunch of them all at the end of the month. So it's going to get really hectic within the next couple of weeks. So y'all just bear with me. I promise I will get back to normal and have everything on the regular schedule and pictures and all that good stuff. So just hang tight with me, guys. Don't give up on me just yet, all right? Now, with all that being said, if you guys need visuals of any of the coupons that I talked about in this video, go back and check out the Good Deals and Glitch List video because all of the coupons that I talked about are in there. And as always, if you guys have any questions, just leave it down in the comment section below. Debra usually runs through and helps me answer questions, and I will always, I always skim through and make sure that I answer those questions first. So just leave your questions in the comment section down below. And I also want to mention that I have a giveaway going on right now. It's a subscriber appreciation giveaway. I'm giving away 4 gift cards in a video that I put up on Monday, I do believe. So if you guys have not already checked out that video, go watch it and make sure that you are signed up to enter to win those gift cards. And I'm going to let you guys choose whether you want an Amazon gift card or a Walmart gift card. So I think it's a pretty good deal. So go check out the video and make sure that you are signed up to win those gift cards. And I'm going to be choosing the winners on Monday. So I'm going to leave the Good Deals and Glitch List video and that giveaway video. Both of those will be linked in the pinned comment down below. Alright, so I think that's all the updates that I have for you guys for now. As always, if anything else comes up, I'll make a post about it in the community tab, or I will leave it in the pinned comment down below this video. So make sure that you guys are checking both of those places for me. And I think that is it for me for now. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I wish each and every one of y'all good luck with your Saturday scenarios tomorrow. And before you go, if you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so because we would love to have you as a part of our crazy couponing family here. Also, please hit that thumbs up button because it is a free way and an easy way that you can help me out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you. So please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute to share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all have a wonderful weekend and I will see you on the next one.